Earlier in the week, we spent a couple of days clearing the site where the horse shelter and arena will be built. This included stick raking, slashing, demolishing old termite mounds, cutting down eucalyptus saplings, and sawing the fallen logs. Pete uses the bucket on the skid steer to hold the logs so he can get a clean cut with the chainsaw. All that's needed now is to load the logs into the back of the ute and add them to the firewood pile to dry out. Being a die-hard gardener, I couldn't help myself. I just had to plant a Moreton Bay fig in this hollowed-out trunk. With care and regular watering, it should grow into an impressive tree. Here Pete has staked out the dimensions of the horse shelter, which has now expanded from a 3 to a 4 bay shelter. The fourth bay will be used to store feed, tack, and all the essentials needed to care for our horses. We arrive at our local hardware store to purchase the materials for the posts and retaining wall that will be needed to level the ground to the shelter. Of course, they don't have the extra large posts that we want. Looks like we're headed to the special orders desk. Construction has begun. Here we are building a retaining wall to hold the fill that will level out the site. Rocky is finding all this digging, measuring, sawing and levelling a bit much. He decides to rub himself all over the cow paddy that is conveniently sitting close by. Hi, Pete.
Hi, Liz.
This levelling business is more complicated than it looks. I think I'll leave Pete to finish it up for the day. Our delivery of posts finally arrives, and thank goodness that the flatbed truck has a crane to lift and position the heavy load on the ground next to the worksite. Well, there you have it. Week 1 done and dusted. Follow along for the next episode where we begin framing up. See you then.